Picture this: you're driving down the highway, enjoying the perfect cruise, when suddenly, a bright red symbol lights up on your dashboard. Your heart sinks. Is your engine about to explode? Are your brakes failing? Or is it just a minor glitch? Most drivers make a massive mistake here. They either panic and call an expensive tow truck immediately, or worse, they completely ignore it and face thousands of dollars in engine damage later. Your dashboard is your car's way of talking to you. And today, we are decoding the 4 most dangerous warning lights you should absolutely never ignore. If you see the last one, you need to pull over immediately. Let's get into it. First up is the most famous, and perhaps the most frustrating one, the check engine light. Unlike other lights, this one doesn't tell you exactly what's wrong. It's a general alarm. It could mean something incredibly simple, like a loose gas cap that isn't sealed properly, causing a pressure drop. But it can also mean something serious, like a failing catalytic converter, bad spark plugs, or a malfunctioning oxygen sensor that is ruining your fuel economy. Pay close attention to how it lights up. If the check engine light is solid yellow, you can usually drive safely to the nearest workshop. But if it starts flashing, stop driving. A flashing check engine light means a severe engine misfire is happening right now, which can destroy your engine in minutes. Next is the oil can icon. If this light turns red while you are driving, your engine is in extreme danger. Many people confuse this with a low oil level light, but it's actually much worse. This indicates low oil pressure. Oil is the lifeblood of your engine. It lubricates moving parts that are rubbing against each other at thousands of RPMs. If the pressure drops, it means oil isn't reaching where it needs to go. Without proper lubrication, the metal-on-metal friction will generate massive heat, and your engine will literally seize up and destroy itself. If you see this light, pull over safely, turn off the engine, and check your dipstick. If it's dry, do not start the car until you add oil. Number 3 is the little battery box symbol. A common misconception is that this light means you just need a new car battery. While that's possible, this light actually signals a failure in the car's charging system. While your engine is running, a component called the alternator generates electricity to run your headlights, AC, radio, and to recharge your battery. If this light turns on while driving, it means your car is running purely on the remaining power left inside the battery. You might notice your headlights getting dim, or your radio shutting off. Once that battery power runs out completely, your car's engine will shut down, and you will lose power steering and power brakes. If this pops up, turn off your AC and radio to save power, and drive straight to a mechanic. Finally, the most urgent one on our list, the engine temperature warning light. It looks like a thermometer dipping into waves. If this light comes on, your engine is overheating. This usually happens due to a coolant leak, a broken radiator fan, or a failed thermostat. Engines are built to operate within a specific temperature range. When they overheat, the metal components expand. This can cause a blown head gasket, warp the cylinder head, or completely crack the engine block. Fixing a warped engine can cost thousands of dollars. The moment you see this red thermometer light up, you have zero time to waste. Find a safe spot, pull over, and shut down the engine immediately to let it cool down. Never try to open the radiator cap while it's hot, or you will risk severe steam burns. Modern cars are incredibly smart. They try to warn you before a minor issue turns into a catastrophic financial disaster. As a rule of thumb, yellow or amber lights mean get it checked soon. Red lights mean park the car safely as soon as possible. Knowing these signs can save your car, your wallet, and potentially your life on the highway. Which of these lights have you seen on your dashboard recently? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with a friend who ignores their dashboard, and don't forget to subscribe to Car Clues for more smart car tips. Safe driving, and see you in the next video.